Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be discussing about the topic of the first postage stamp after independent India. That is, independent India means that India after 15th August 1947. So the first postage stamp which was published after 15th August 1947. First of all, about the points of discussion, first we'll be looking at the news, then the first stamp of independent India, postal history of pre-independent India. Pre-independent India means India before 1947. Then Asia's first stamp in undivided India. Then in the end, a prelims practice question. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 1, that is history. And before we move forward, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. On the occasion of Independence Day, Drishti IAS has come up with a 40% discount on all online pen drive courses, test series and DLP, and 20% off on Drishti's books also you can get. So the link is given in the description box, so you can go and click on the link and can claim your special Independence Day discount, and this discount is available until 18th of August. So you can download the Drishti Learning app today, or you can call us at 8010440440. So the news talks about what were the first postage stamps of independent India. So it says independent India first postage stamp. So India gained independence on August 15, 1947. With this, Indian Post and Telegraph Department wanted to commemorate the occasion by issuing a special stamp, but at that point of time, during the time of August 15, 1947, they could not do so. They could not do so because of the partition and the required rearrangement and transfer of the management. So the Indian Post and Telegraph Department wanted to publish a special stamp at 15th August 1947 to commemorate the Independence Day of India, but due to the partition woes, as there were many people who was transferring from one land to another land, and there were so many people and violence was also going on at that point of time. So the department, the Telegraph Department and the Indian Post could not do so. So they took some time, but after some time they commemorated India's independence with special posts. So the first stamp of independent India was finally released on November 21, 1947. So after a few months of India's independence, on November 21, 1947, first stamp of independent India. Important word here is independent India. You cannot say that this is the overall first stamp of India, because that will also include pre-independent and post-independent. This is talking about post-independent, that is independent after 1947. Now let us talk about the first stamps of independent India. So 3 postage stamps were issued to commemorate India's independence. In total 3 stamps were issued, and all 3 were different, and all 3 featured date, that is August 15, 1947, that is the date at which India got its independence. So all the 3 posts or all the 3 stamps, it contained similarity, that is the date August 15, 1947 was there in all 3 stamps, and the words Jai Hind in Devanagari script was also written. Then the first stamp was issued in November 1947, and it depicted the Indian flag, which is flying in the sky among the clouds, and the denomination is 3.5 annas. So 3.5 annas. Let us look at the first stamp. That is this stamp. See, Indian flag is depicted, Jai Hind is written, then August 15, 1947 date is also written, and the denomination is 3.5 annas. So this was the first stamp which was issued during the independent India. Now coming to the second stamp, then this was the first stamp that we talked about, that is November 1947, and the other 2 commemorative stamps were released in December 1947. So first was November 1947 and the other 2 was December 1947. So the second stamp depicted lion capital of Ashoka. Lion capital of Ashoka. That is, this is the stamp. So if you will see, Jai Hind word is written, 15th August 1947 date is also written. So this is the Ashokan emblem in which the 3 lion, 1, 2 and 3 you can see very clearly, while the 4th one is at the back. So in total there are 4 lions, and which are standing on the lotus pedestal, and the denomination of this is 1.5 annas. So 1.5 annas. So the denomination is 1.5 annas, and this Ashokan emblem at the head of a column was erected by Mauryan Emperor Ashoka in Sarnath, and the date was 250 BCE. So this is about the second stamp. So first stamp was November, second and third was December. So this is about the second. And if we talk about the third stamp which was published was, so it is of a Flying Douglas DC-4 aircraft. It was priced at 12 annas. So this is the Flying Douglas DC-4 aircraft. Jai Hind is written, 15th August 1947 date is there, and the denomination is 12 annas. So these 3 are the stamp. This is the third one, this is the second one, and let me show you the first one. That is in the starting, this one, this is the first one. Now let us know about the postal history of pre-independent India. Pre-independent India means the time before 15th August 1947. So in the initial days, if we talk about, that is before the East India Company also, there was also a method through which the posts were, or the letters were sent to one place or the other, and that is during the Mughal time a communication system known as Dak was there, and in this horse runners were used for speedy deliveries and at a farther distance, while foot runners were used for shorter distance. So horse runners for speedy delivery and foot runners for shorter distance. And formal postal system in India was established with the coming of the East India Company in India. So during the Mughal time it was by the method of Dak. Then during the time of 1720s, the East India Company set up a postal service primarily for internal communication. So first of all, for internal communication the postal services was set up. Then during the time of 1766, Governor General Robert Clive set up a regular postal system. So the regular postal system came during the time of 1766. Then during the time of 1774, Warren Hastings took the initiative of establishing the first GPO. GPO stands for General Post Office, and it was set up in Calcutta. So 1766, regular postal system. 1774, Warren Hastings first General Postal Office in Calcutta. Then after Calcutta, the General Post Offices were set up in many other cities also, like in Madras 1786, Bombay 1794. Then came the Post Office Act of 1837. So the Post Office Act of 1837, as it is an act, it made things streamlined. So the Post Office Act of 1837 talked about the government's exclusive right to convey letters in the territories of the East India Company. That whatever is the territory of the East India Company, within the territory of the East India Company, it will be the government's exclusive right to transfer letter from one place to another place. Then during the time of 1854, uniform postage rates were introduced across the country. So uniform postage rates, it means that how much, if a person wants to send any letter from one place to another place, then how much the person has to pay for it. So this is the history of starting of the postal system in India. Now about Asia's first stamp were issued in undivided India. Undivided India means before 1947, and this is Asia's first. So during the time of 1852, India became first country in Asia to issue its own postage stamp. So 1852, in Asia, India became the first country to issue its own postage stamp, and it was introduced in the Sindh district, and it was circular in shape, and the name of the stamp was Sindh Dak. See, this is circular in shape and the name of the stamp is Sindh Dak. So this is how the name is written. Then it was during the time of East India Company, a heart shaped was also made, which was divided into 3 parts, and it contained letters like EIC. EIC stands for the East India Company. So the stamp Sindh Dak was introduced as part of a postal reforms by the governor of the district, that is Sir Bartle Frere, and the value is half anna. So the value of this stamp was half anna, and it bore the merchant's mark of the East India Company with a heart-shaped motif divided into 3 sections, that I just told you, 3 sections, and it named EIC. Then came during the time of 1854, first postal stamp valid throughout India. Valid throughout India. First postal stamp which was valid throughout India was issued, and it bore the Queen Victoria's portrait, and this was during the time of 1854. And railway mail service was also introduced in India in the same year, that is 1854. So you can say that it was during the time of 1854 when actually the postage stamp or the postal stamp valid throughout India started. So the year 1854 in itself is historic. So see, first we talked about the first post which was, or the first stamp which was issued in independent India, that is 1947 November. Then we talked about second and third post or the stamp, it was December 1947. Then we talked about pre-independent India, that is before 1947. So we talked about the pre-independent India. I think this was fine. Mughals, dark system. Then 1720 internal communication, 1766 Robert Clive, 1774 Warren Hastings, Post Office Act of 1837, then 1854. Then came the first stamp issued in undivided India. So 1852 it was the post stamp Sindh district, and it bore the name of East India Company letters EIC. Then during the time of 1854, throughout India, first postal stamp valid throughout India was issued, and the railway mail service was also introduced, and the railway mail service made it possible to transport letters throughout the territory of India, as it covered the long distances in a short span of time. Now in the end of prelims MCQ, and you people will give me the answer in the comment section. The first postal stamp and railway mail service was introduced in 1854, 1855, 1856 or 1857. As we have discussed this in the video, so give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.